Hello, now we will speak about authentication and access. So first of all, you must know something is that your user must be licensed. So meaning that your user must have a license for Microsoft Teams. So you can do it by the portal. It's very simple. You just have to go on here on a user. And when you click on active user, you can see here, so the license that is actually linked to a user. So here I can see the license. So it's very simple. For example, Billy here, or from a user here, for example, Mulder. I see that he has two licenses. He has the EMS for Intune, for example. Okay, this is mandatory for the course, and you have Office 365 E5 here. So you can just go here, and when you click on the user, you can see that the user has a license for Microsoft Teams and also, and of course, EMS. So if I go here, you can see that if you go here on the apps, you can see that he's ready for Teams. So that's so simple here, Teams. Okay, so now you can do it by PowerShell. So first of all, something very important is that if you want to add a license to user, the user must have a usage location. Okay, so for example, this command will display all the user who doesn't have any location. So if I do that, I will see that all this user doesn't have any users location. If you don't have any usage location, you cannot set a license. Okay, the users location is the country where the user will work here. Okay, so for example, let's take the example of John here, Jane. Okay, this is a French name. He doesn't have any users location. Okay, so I will set for him French. So for that, I will take. So I have all my here. Okay, that's it. And I will take this user here. Okay, this user, and I will set for him a user location. Okay, because if you don't do that, it will not work. You cannot, add license. So now it's okay. He's in French. After that, what I can do is that I can go here now, and now I can give him a license. Okay, so here I have my enterprise premium license. If you want to see all the license that you have both purchased, you can do I will show you that. You can do this command. This command will show you all the license you bought. So I see that this one is E5. If you have here another one, it's maybe another license, okay, that you have. So this is the EMS, I don't need it, and this is the premium P2. This you don't have to have the P2. Why? Because it's included in this one. So I see that I consume 20 license and I have 25 active, so I can still have 5 user more. Okay, so now I will add this premium license for this user. So I will go here, and that's it. So now I will take this user. Okay, I will go back here, and I will go here, and I tap it. Okay, now you will see that if I run again this command, you will have 21 here. Okay, so let's run this command again, and you will see that I have now 21 user now who is using my lessons, so I have 4 more. So this is very simple to do that. After that, you can remove a license. Okay, so let's say that I want to remove a license. So I'm going to take this one, for example. Okay, and I want to remove the license to John. Okay, so no, that's not it. Sorry, I must do it again. Okay. For that, first of all, I must give the name of the user. So that's it. I'll go here. I go here on my UPN, and I must remove, of course, Enterprise Pack is E3, for example. Huh? So if you see Enterprise Premium, it's E5. So I will go here. I will go at the end of my command here, and I will say which one I want to remove. Okay, so now if I do again this command, you will see that now it will pass to 20, of course. That's good. Okay, it's very, very simple. You can do it also in bulk, okay? So for example, you can say, okay, I will take a variable, US sales, I will do a get all department sales, users location, where is licenses true, because of course I want all the user who are in this department, okay, and only the user who have a license. And after I can do USL, I can do a for each set MSL user principal name, it will be the one coming from get this one, and I can do remove license. Okay, so this is very, very easy. Okay, so now let's talk about authentication. There is three ways with Teams. Okay, the first one is cloud only. Cloud only is that when you don't have any on-premise server. So so you create your user directly here. Okay, so you create your user here. Of course, when you have the AD Connect, you never create a user here. When you have AD Connect, you create the user on-premise, and after the AD Connect will do synchronization of the user. So you know that because we did it in the lab. And this one, it's where you use federation, of course. Okay, so guest now. Guest, something is very important is that if you want your organization to collaborate with people outside the organization, you must grant them access, okay, to access Teams. Get access is included with all Office 365 Business Premium, Enterprise, okay, and no additional Office license is required. Guest access is a tenant level setting in Microsoft Teams and disabled by default. So if I go here, I show you how to enable the guest access. So you must go here. You must go on your guest access here, and I did it, okay? But if I do off, of course, or on here. So this is where you can do that. So we were here in the French version, English version. After that, you have your policy. Policies is very important because the policies is the way to control the functionality of IAM and messaging to user in Teams, okay? So you have a default policies, but you can also create one for some of your user. So if you go here, you will see that I have here my policies, okay? Messaging policies. So I have here, this is an example I will show you after, but I have the global one. Global one is for everybody. So I can say, okay, do you want, for example, owner can delete send message, allow your preview, translate message, create voice message. See, so you have a lot of thing here. So you can say who the policy will be applied for everybody. But what you can do is, for example, create a new one here. For example, this is a custom policies, department marketing. And this one, see, I put off here. And after that, you can manage the user. So you do manage user and you say, okay, who will apply these policies? So when you click on manage user here, I can say, for example, for Mulder, for example, I will apply this policy here. Okay, so this is very, very powerful. Okay, so that's it. So after we'll see the team configuration. So thank you for all and spend a very nice day or evening. Bye-bye.